Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So more data and onwards and upwards, and we are now just running away at the moment. No real opportunities to jump in on the higher time frames, but yeah, structure's been broken. As I said yesterday, range structure's been broken, flags have been broken to the opposite direction. Normally it's 25% probability, except when you talk about the US markets. Often when you're in a bearish structure on the US markets and you get bearish structure like we had down here, it more often than not fails. US markets are designed to go up, and that's pretty much as it is. So you buy the dip. That's what everybody's been doing for many years. Anyway, let's not ramble today. There's a zone that we threw. You can see it was an exhaustion bar into that zone, and then we've sort of got through it. Now we'll unpack that zone on the lower time frames. The important part here is that the oscillators, sorry, not the oscillators, but the moving averages have crossed over. Well, 150 is going to cross over shortly. So that is the important thing on the 8 hour. All time frames are now becoming bullish. You can see we have a crossover of all the moving averages here on the 3 hour. Yes, we are overbought, but remember, in strong trends, you can stay overbought or oversold for extended periods of time. So the trick here is just to keep your wits about you, trade off the lower time frames, and look for those opportunities in. So just look at the price action through the week, and then this was all the data that came out yesterday. I don't even know what data it was. You can go have a look. More than likely retail trade data of some sort. But anyway, this is all indicating that we have rate cuts coming soon. Okay, 1 hour. Sideways, you can see the breaks, no retest of the breaks at all, just break and run. So no real opportunity for us on the hour to get in. There may have been something here on the lower time frame. We'll have a look at it. You can see there is a bit of a range bar here from, when was that, Tuesday? No, Wednesday, sorry. Wednesday. So Wednesday you can see that range bar. You can see we did come down to test it with a big engulfing bar. So probably an opportunity there. Yep. Would have been difficult. I suppose not so difficult. It's fairly clear. And it was close to the daily gap above the 150 EMA. Suppose hindsight being a perfect science, just before data, 12.12, yeah, just before data. Not sure I would have taken it, but anyway, there's your data gap and run, but no pullback, just hitting the levels and breaking through those levels. So you're looking for opportunities to buy. There's no two ways about that. I just want to get to the weekly quickly. I don't think there is a weekly resistance ahead of us. Nope. But look at the moral of this story. Strong move up, 3-week pullback, strong week up, 3-week pullback, and a 4th week kind of pullback, but we then finished almost flat. Well, it didn't finish flat, we finished positive. And now we've got the follow through from that pin bar. Classic price action here in an uptrend on the weekly. Hopefully you heeded my advice and updated your long-term portfolios with multiple shares, or even just an EFT of the S&P 500 down here. You would be 8% to the good already. Anyway, 15 minutes. What we're looking for is opportunity to buy. I think this offers the best opportunity, 55.28, and another opportunity is at 5500. Just bear in mind this gap here, it will get closed somewhere along the line. So don't be too surprised if you get some other negative data or a Fed coming out and saying something stupid that drives it back down again. So don't be too surprised if you see that. But I think for me, you want to be trading with the 15-minute. Don't stress yourself too much on the higher time frames. This trend is strong and it's up. So you're looking for structural breaks. The other thing that you do want to pay attention to is just head left. You can see why we're stalling, and I'm just going to put the high in as well. We really need to worry about the high. Get the 3-hour view here. Yeah, okay, that's fine. The high will work. There's a pin bar there. And then you have that level and that level. Okay, so you've got a fairly strong zone of resistance above us if you just look at this in the 3-hour. So I'll give it to you now on the 15. So obviously you don't want to be jumping in long right here. You'd prefer some structure, but what may happen is you'll break 55, 56, come back, test this, and then you're looking for 55, 68, 55, 75, and then 55, 89, and if you get through that, you're probably going for 5600. Okay, so you want to be buying, you're looking for the pullbacks or breaks of structure and retest in order to be buying. And I think there's more data coming out today. I'm not 100% sure, but just have a look at your economic calendars. There definitely will be some other catalyst that's going to keep us going to the upside. Okay, that's it for me. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.